Okay, so we're going to be starting the domain, accessing the cPanel. And your cPanel is going to be your domain name dot the directory /cpanel.com, which can be your domain name .com / or .ng or .org, whatever / cpanel.com. So the domain I'm currently working on is going to be this one. Your consent builders. Your consent builders.com /cpanel. Okay, so then let's go. Good. Okay, so you have to enter the username. Your username is going to be sent to you in your email once you buy the domain name and hosting. So your username for your cPanel will automatically be in your email. So you should check your email after your payment has been confirmed. Okay, so let's go. Your cons. I think this is it. Then the password. Then let's log in. Okay. Login. Okay. So this is what your cPanel will look like. This is what your cPanel will look like. This is what it will look like. You can change the looks. You can change the looks. Okay. So this is what your cPanel will look like. You can create an email account or build a website and all this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go down. This is where everything about your website happens. Where the email accounts, all those email accounts like admin / info @ or admin @ support @ this is where they create all those emails and send you different notifications. So this is where all those things happen. How you build a website, this is where everything is housed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download what you're going to use to build our website. It should be the WordPress. So you come down here to Softaculous app installer. Come down here. If you do not see yours here, just search all these places. You will see a Softaculous app installer. So then you click on WordPress. We're going to be using WordPress to build our site. Okay. So we're going to be using WordPress. Let's scroll down a bit. Okay. Okay. So let's choose the protocol. Then don't put anything here. Do not put anything in this directory. This is your website name. Do not put anything in this directory. So then let's go down a bit. Okay. The site settings, the site name and the site description. Okay, then you can always change this one later. Just like to include it here. Okay, the site name, your consent builders. Okay, the site description. I have the information here. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna add the site description. Okay, so you have to take your time to do this. Okay. And you copy this. Then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so this is it. Then I have to create a password. Your admin username is always admin. You have to change your admin password. Okay, let's try to check for a password. Okay. First add the password there. Paste. Okay. Okay, then enter. Okay. Okay, so my admin password is strong. So, okay. Okay, so you have to select this checkbox to overwrite all files, because when you buy your domain name newly and then you search on it, the one for qservers.com, when you buy from qservers.com, when you search your domain name, let's concept builders.com. This is what you have. It tells you that it's hosted by qservers, and this is a page. This is like a page on your file manager. I'm going to show you that all that is going to be in the cPanel video. So you have to select the checkbox and overwrite all the files so that when you install this one, it's going to show. So then your website is going to show instead of all those qservers web hosting. So then let's install it now. Okay. Install. Okay. So you have to wait for it to install. It doesn't really take time. See, it's done. And boom. Okay, so now anytime you want to access the back end of your website, that is where you design your website from. You as the admin, this is the link. It says here administrative URL https://yourconceptbuilder/wp-admin. Now that admin username and password that you created will be what you use to log in, because you'll be asked to log in every single time. So that admin username and password, your admin username is always admin, or you can actually change it, but I like to leave mine as admin, and then the password. So then let's come here. Okay. Okay, so it logs me in automatically. So this is what the back end looks like. Now see the site name that we did. The site name, your concept dream home builders. This is the site name. Okay, so let's visit the site. Open the link. Okay, it's just showing this. So this is what your back end looks like. Now if you have a blog, this is where you post some things. Like, this is not where you post on the pages. If you have like a blog on your site, this is where you post some things on the blog. This is where you post. This is where you manage your media, where you import your images, your videos, your audios. This is where you manage everything. Then this is your pages, your web pages. Every single web page, this is it. Has a sample page. Okay, so this is where all your pages are from your website. This is where you design everything. You can add new pages and then you start designing your web pages. So we're going to go into all that. When someone comments on your page or on a particular blog content, this is where your comments are, where you can approve them or trash them, you know, your appearance, your themes and everything. Okay, this should be actually available on the site. Let's see. Visit site again. Okay, I knew it was going to be available on the site. Okay, so this is an automatic theme that the WordPress gives you. You can actually choose any theme you want. So let me just take you through the themes. Now WordPress has a whole lot of themes. When you install WordPress newly, they give you 3 free themes. 3 themes that you can use, but there are actually more themes. WordPress has so many themes, but I don't use any of WordPress themes. I don't use any of WordPress themes. So let's try to see. I'm going to see the themes. Look at these themes. Astra. We have so many themes. Elementor, different themes, and they are very beautiful themes. Okay, let's try to use any one of them. So the website we are going to be building here is a construction website. So let's see any of them. Okay. Let's go for this one. Let's install it. So it's installing. Okay, so you have to wait a little for it to install. I don't use any of WordPress themes, and I think I'm going to show you why. Okay, so we're going to activate the theme. You have to, anytime you install, you have to activate. Okay, so now let's go to our site. Visit site, open link in your tab. Okay, now look, the one we installed, this is it here. This is the one we installed. See, they will always show this powered by whatever, and I don't like it. So that's why I like to build my own website, because all this, I don't want all this. And I'm going to show you the theme you use to build it. But if you build it yourself, you can actually customize this and put your own name, but you can't do this. See, the name comes with a link. The name comes with a link. Anytime I put the question on the name, you see the link there, and I don't want that to happen. I don't really like using any of WordPress themes. I have a whole lot of themes that I'm going to be giving to you, more than 2,000 themes, plus the Divi theme key. I'm going to be giving you Elementor Pro and the rest. Okay. So the first thing, okay, so here you can install plugins. Here you can install plugins. These are the things that you can actually use to manage your website, and also the things that you can actually add to your website. For example, when you go to your website and you see something like a live chat on the website, or you see a link or a WhatsApp button that sends you to the person's direct WhatsApp, you do all those things with a plugin. And there are some editors too, right? Some things you can use to edit your website that you can use a plugin for. Okay, so let's go to users. So here you can give other people access to your website, and I'm don't do that. So your tools, your site, okay, then the settings. Let's go to the settings. Okay, so see my site title, your concept dream home builders. Now see, when you search the site, it shows this is your concept dream home builders, and you see that after that they show you consent rebuild. This is it here. Okay, so let's check this site. Well, see, the site is secured. The site is secured. I will still add the free SSL, like I said. Okay, so then you scroll down. This is your admin email. I like these dates like this. Okay, I like everything. So let's check here. Just go through all this and don't touch anything, please. As we are going to be moving further to the class, we're going to be seeing how we're going to be using everything. We're going to use everything here. I'm going to touch everything here, so please don't be too much in a hurry to touch anything or to do anything you don't really understand. If you're going through any difficulty, please send me a message. Please send me a message if you're going through any difficulty. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do now is to start designing my website. This website, we're going to start designing and customizing it. Okay, now let's go to pages. I'm going to delete this sample page. Let's delete it, trash it. And then we don't like these sample pages. Then the comments, trash it. So trash. And then the posts, trash. Okay, let's leave this post for now. So the site will just look empty. Okay.